What's up, guys? We're out in the middle of butt nowhere. So Justin is gonna send it. I'm out here.
What's up, Nefsons? Welcome to the channel. We just showed up to King of Hammers 2018. So we had a little bit of a problem with the Jeep. Couldn't take it. So we're here in this U-Haul. Ooh. Here, bring it outside. Let me see it.
This thing dope as fuck.
There's a sticker on the inside that says Lil Sammy. So that's the name of the truck.
Lil Sammy.
Lil Sammy. Hey, I thought ahead. Want a camo koozie or Jeep Beach koozie?
Hell yeah, I want a camo one.
Praise God. We just showed up to camp, trying to cook some food. Figured out we have nothing, so. I planned to get hamburgers for us to eat tonight, and apparently I forgot everything besides the hamburger meat. So, that's so bad. So we're literally just throwing hamburgers on the grill, and we're probably just gonna eat it.
We don't even have napkins. And this is
no, we don't have napkins. That's the least of our worries. We don't have plates. We don't have utensils.
I don't have anything to wash my hands after I touch raw meat. I have nothing.
We're probably gonna end up flipping these burgers with a screwdriver. So we're here at Johnson Valley, King of the Hammers. Literally 3 hours ago it was 85 degrees, and now me and Tyler are wearing these like -20 rated jackets because it's 30 degrees outside, which is just crazy. How does the temperature, tomorrow's supposed to be 90 degrees, and then by I think 9-10 o'clock at night it's gonna be I think like 30, maybe even lower than 30 degrees. Yeah.
Dude, I bet we're gonna sound like to like anyone off
anyone in Midwest.
Everyone's like, these
oh, you it's -55 out here. I'm losing limbs left and right. Like, well, you're an idiot for living there. Well, it's actually only 57 degrees. It's 57 degrees out, and I'm freezing. I'm freezing, dude. I don't know what is happening.
It's 57.
I thought it was like 35, dude. It's 57. Normally, if it was 57 like at school, like I'd just be like in a t-shirt and jeans. But like here, I'm like, oh, we're out in the God knows where this land is forsaken. Like, so I think it's like, oh my God, it's like some hellhole that we're camping in. But really, 57 degrees. If I was at school, I'd be like, oh, this is chilling. So our original plan was to take my Jeep out here because I go to school at Azusa Pacific University. So we're only about, I think it took us 2.5 hours to get here. Tyler flew here from San Jose, which is originally where I'm from, but I go to school in SoCal. So he flew here, and we were originally going to drive the Jeep to King of the Hammers, and then my Jeep decided to shit itself. I spent the past week staying up all night long.
What is happening? Trying
to fix it. So basically what happened was it's making like this clunking noise, kind of clunking, like metal clacking against each other, and so I was like, okay, you know what, it's probably the U-joints. Took out my front drive shaft. The U-joints where the CV joint is that connects to my transfer case, it's destroyed. There's like U-joints that go together, and there's like a rubber casing that goes around it. The rubber casing's just eaten alive. The U-joints are all like moving around. There's a lot of play and stuff. So I was like, okay, sweet, that's probably my noise. The drive shaft's just shaking back and forth. Took the drive shaft out, went on a drive, and the noise is still there. I'm like, oh great, okay, sounds like U-joints, maybe it's the axle shaft U-joints. So I live on campus at school in the apartments. I don't have any tools, I don't have a garage, I don't have anything. So went to Harbor Freight, dropped almost $300 on a jack stands, a jack. I got breaker bars. I got huge sockets. I got so much stuff. And to try to fix this, so I'm in a parking garage with a bunch of other people. My Jeep's just all apart on the floor. It's miserable. And so I'm like, okay, you know what? It's probably the axle shaft U-joints. Pulled both front axle shafts out. U-joints were fine. I looked at the wheel bearings. Wheel bearings were fine. So I'm like, what the hell is happening? So then I'm like, okay, maybe it's like a control arm that's binding. And in the first video, I kind of pointed out that my front control arm had damage. And even remember when we were climbing up on that rock and I just hit it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I hit it and it caused some damage. There's already prior damage, but it got a little bit worse. So I was like, okay, it's that. So I'm like, this is literally last night. Last night, I'm scrambling to find some, I'm like putting it on my Instagram. I was like, anyone have a right lower front control arm I can have? And one of my buddies, he's like, I got one. He's like, how much do you want for it? I'm like, dude, I'll give you 40 bucks for it. I don't care. I just need to get this thing fixed so I can drive it to King of the Hammers. Drove to his house in my roommate's car, picked it up, gave him 40 bucks, brought it back, put it in real quick. Those bolts are just a bitch. So I'm like yanking on it. I also broke my hand, so it was like, it's hard for me to wrench on the Jeep, but I finally got everything undone, put the front control arm in, went for a drive, and it's still making the goddamn noise. So I'm just like, you know what, screw it. Called Tyler up, was like, I'm not missing this weekend. Like, this is the best weekend of my life. It's like, we're renting a U-Haul, we're gonna go out to King of the Hammers, we're gonna huck it. So here we are, we got our U-Haul. It's actually really nice to be here in this, because like my Jeep's pretty unreliable, so being here in this, we don't have to worry about the reliability of the Jeep and like whether we're gonna get home or not. So this is kind of nice. We can just drive this around. It's actually funny. Some dude walked by over here. He was hammered, obliterated. We're cooking in the bed of the truck. He walks by. He's like, "Hey, you guys steal my U-Haul?" I was like, "No, this is our U-Haul." He's like, "Oh, sick. I got one too. Good idea." I'm like, hell yeah, brother. We're not the only one out here looking like fools in a freaking U-Haul, but. It's actually a really nice truck. I think it's a 2016. It's only 2-wheel drive, but it's got a V8. Plenty of power to get us around. We should probably end up deflating the air pressure in some of the tires.
Think so? Yeah,
just to get a little more traction, at least in the rear. Other than that, this thing is so fuel efficient. We filled it up. It's probably about 80-90 bucks to fill up, but for a 2.5-hour drive from school to here, only took up 1/8 of a tank. So I was like, hell yeah, it's awesome.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's really.
We're out here going to Chocolate Thunder, which is. Oh, fuck! Wait, slow down. We're in our U-Haul. We're just fucking mobbing the whole.
How do we get through this shit?
We're on the moon. Oh,
yee.
Where the fuck are we going?
I don't know.
We're in a U-Haul. Wait, we're gonna bottom out. To your right.
This way?
Yeah, follow this.
Oh my god!
What the fuck is that? It's a wall! Alright, so we did not realize that we were in sand. That is a ton of sand.
We're already stuck in our U-Haul.
We might be screwed.
No, we're not screwed. Trust me. I'm an engineer.
Good. All right, go for it. Well.
Am I digging?
Yeah. All right, we're currently stuck. It's a really cool dude. It's helping us get out, hopefully. We did not realize that this was turning into sand here. Because for a while, on all those bumps you guys saw, it was just dirt and it was fun. And all of a sudden it turns to sand. We just get our asses kicked. But you can't tell because it's dark, which is, we probably shouldn't have gone out in the dark, but it's King of the Hammer, so who cares?
Beautiful. This is American ingenuity, my friends.
Nice.
Keep turning, you're good, you're good. You're good, still keep going. Yeah, I can stop before you dig a hole.
Alright guys, we're free. Holy shit. Wow. Justin had to get going, and then as soon as he got going, because we were stuck, he had to keep going. Those guys were really fucking cool. Whew. But now I'm in the back of the truck because I had to run and catch up. Holy shit. Now I gotta deal with all this. Yet again,
I'm such a good driver.
we're stuck. I don't think it's that. It's just, Sammy can't handle this, dude. There's Justin. We got a U-Haul. Sadly, the Jeep is out of commission right now, just like it is every other week. But we couldn't have missed King of the Hammers. So Justin is gonna fucking send it. But there's a Jeep, hold on. This place is actually really fucking cool. I've never been doing anything like this. This is Justin's, I think, second year. Apparently it started in 07. It's just been fucking crazy ever since. There's a lot of fucking Jeeps. Jeep heaven. But nothing's as nice as this baby right here. Oh yeah. Look at you doing. So we came out to King of Hammers, so we thought it'd be fucking fun, and it is. Oh shit. Oh my god. We've only been here for one day, one night. We got stuck last night, out in the middle of fucking nowhere out there. But this place is awesome. We recorded some of the start. We're gonna try to get to Chocolate Thunder, which is one of the main, I guess you would say, tracks, hills, races, I don't know. Whatever the fuck it is. We're gonna try to get out there right now. Or I think Justin's gonna wanna do donuts or some shit, but I guess we'll find out. For now, we're just gonna keep exploring. Hell yeah.
Specializing in broad. Look, that's hella funny. Where are we going right now, Tyler?
Going to the finish line, baby.
Finish line, baby. Rage 4th.
Of course, we don't know the corrected times. They haven't been through an official timing checkpoint in quite some while. Look at this. Here's Sheer running it with the helicopter. These pictures to come to us live in the desert.
That's crazy.
Monster Energy.
We out here.
Phaura, all the fine people that Smitty built. There's so many people get behind this event. This is such an amazing happening. And it's more than a race.
And he's actually in backdoor.
That
we are going to see his dust any moment as he works his way down through and is on his way to Hammertown.
And this is the spot he made the pass for the physical lead. We'll get a clean run for Jason to come through here. We'll get him up and over the hill. We're waiting